Could this be your chance to purchase a Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT at a really low price? This is probably the closest thing we're going to get to getting any kind of insider information on what's going to happen with the price of NFTs. That's what we're talking about today. If you guys are interested, hit the like button, hit subscribe, but check out the CT Club down below. We're telling our members which NFTs, if we're buying any, which ones we're checking out. So if you guys are interested, check out that link. So what's happening is there is a NFT lending platform. I know, don't we all just have a sore spot for lending platforms anymore? But basically, Bend DAO has, without a doubt, the highest total value locked for any NFT lending platform. About 38 million, give or take, is locked there. But what's happening is that because the floor price of these NFTs have dropped so much compared to when many of these people first deposited their NFTs to be borrowed against, they're basically facing the threat of liquidation. So it makes sense why a lot of people who have purchased these NFTs, they want to go ahead and try to make that NFT make them as much money as possible, and so that's why they're lending them out, or I'm sorry, they're borrowing against them. They're putting them up as collateral, basically, to receive Ethereum to have some liquidity based on the value of their NFT and that doesn't require them to sell their NFT and lose ownership over it. But if the floor prices of these NFTs drop much lower, or drop at all to the point where they are under the threat of liquidation, these people have 48 hours to make good on their collateral to give that Ethereum back in order to retain that ownership over the NFT. So what inspired this video was an article that I read today. It'll be linked down below in the video description. At the time of that writing, which was only a few hours ago, they said there was about 20 Bored Ape NFTs that were basically at this threshold of at risk of being liquidated. At the time of recording now, there's only about a couple. So either they did get liquidated, or these people were able to take advantage of that 48-hour window, redeem their collateral, and get their NFTs back. But what I'm talking about here is this is an excellent opportunity it could be an opportunity for these liquidations to inspire a sell-off on these NFTs and cause them to have a much lower floor price that would allow people who had their eye on these Bored Ape Yacht Clubs to purchase them at a cheaper price. Right now, Bored Apes are the highest, have the highest floor price of any NFT, about 68 Ethereum. Just below that, they have the CryptoPunks, of course. Moonbirds, another popular new one, their floor price is about 12 Ethereum. So Bored Ape Yacht Club is definitely the highest on the list. A lot of people have their eyes on that prize, and these types of liquidation events could be giving you an opportunity to purchase cheaper. That's the point of this video. Keep an eye out, guys. We'll be keeping you guys posted in the CT Club as well. But anyway, like, subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.